Yeah, this for my baby mother. You know what I'm saying? When we first met, I remember like yesterday, baby. Word. Yeah. July 8th, summertime, 95. Smith Street in Irvington. When I met you, baby moms, you was with your best friend Sharita. I remember like yesterday, same day I had bought me a beeper. We was outside chatting and taking some flicks. I ain't want her though. Nah, you was my favorite pick. Had on that blue jean skirt on, ponytail to the side. From the way you were talking to me, I could tell you was shy. Weeks later, we ended up on the phone. You had a boyfriend at that time. With me, I was all alone. I just wanted to chill with you and spend some days. Orange Park, your brother told me how you lied about your age. And when I told you about it, you acted all amazed. But I liked you so much, it didn't matter anyway. Remember when I offered you money and you wouldn't take that from me? And wouldn't eat in front of me like you ain't that hungry? I know you listening and laughing like ain't that funny? But I love you with my heart and no one could take that from me. So I just had to let you know, when you truly love somebody with your heart, you don't just let them go. I know we had some good days and bad nights, but I'm past my past and I ain't trying to dwell on our last fight. We have 3 boys to attend to, and I apologize if I said some things that offend you. Every relationship has its issue. All I want you to know, I truly love you and miss you. Yeah.